What is the difference between market value and asking price? Hi, I'm Aldric Toyad, a real estate negotiator with RGroup Sdn Bhd, doing business as REMAX Malaysia. My REN number is 32167. What is the value of your property? The best way to identify or to know for certain is by engaging a registered valuer. A registered valuer is a real estate professional registered with the Board of Valuers, Appraisers, Estate Agents and Property Managers to perform property valuations. Now, a valuer's report basically identifies at the material time, taking into many factors including transactions, past transaction of the property surrounding development plan and all that, and ascertain the exact amount that your particular property is worth. Right? A factory, for instance, on a 1 acre site may be worth 7 million. So what happens is, when with this particular valuer's report, for certain we know that your factory is worth 7 million. Right? However, an asking price can be different, may be different from that market value, right? And that valuation, sorry. So the asking price, you can ask, for example, as the owner, you may dispose or sell it off at a rate of 7.5. You can justify why. It could be the equipment that you're looking at, you've installed, the refurbishment. Now, these chattels may not exactly not deemed as part of the property per se. However, it can add value. Okay? And second, you can price it, ask for it to be bought at the 7 million mark, because you know it's the 7 million, so why give it a headache? 7 million, right? Let's stick to that. The third alternative is, of course, you can sell it lower. Why? Because selling a property lower than what its value usually means that it would be sold faster. Again, I have to manage expectation here on part of the buyer. The transaction at the end of the day is not determined per se by the valuer's report. The valuer's report gives you how much it is worth. It is useful in terms of planning your RPGT, your real property gains tax. It's useful for your IPO exercise. It's useful to understand how much asset you have. However, you can sell it off at a lower price, because it is not wrong to sell it off at lower price. At the end of the day, whether it is sold depends on whether the market at the time is willing to pay that price. For instance, you can have a property that is worth, say, 7 million, and the installations that you included there are up to, say, 2 million, and you'd like to have a 1 million profit, so you're selling it off at 10 million, right? So you can in your justification, you have the various chattels, the chairs, table, the furnishings, the furniture, the added on services and tenancies, if you will, things like that, to make it more attractive to the potential buyers. But the potential buyers may agree or disagree with you. So that, among many other factors, affect whether your property will be sold at that level or not. But as I said earlier on, when it comes to RPGT, of course, the price that you got it, that is, the price that the valuer attested as, that is what it is, right? It is useful when you're inheriting a particular property, right? Because you don't know how much it is at the time of inheritance. The property may be bought at a lower price. Of course, over time, it increases, right? So, you want to know at the point of inheritance, because you did not buy or sell, you can't rely on, say, 2008 value price when it's 2019, or a 1950 price when it's 2019. So you'd like to peg into the right price at the material time, because your RPGT is calculated from the time that it was inherited to the time of sales. You don't want to be charged backdated, right? So that is the idea. I understand that this video is coming back. Let me wrap up with the two main questions. What is the market property value? You find the property value properly through engaging a valuer, a registered valuer. You can sell it based on market conditions and how much other owners are selling their property. So if you have any other questions related to real estate, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Do share, subscribe to my channel, share this video to people whom you think would benefit from it. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye.